So let's take a look at the Unity interface first up. I'll just mention there are a number of different ways your screen might look if you've just installed Unity. If it looks a bit different to mine, just come up to the Window menu, go down to Layouts, and you'll see a number of different layouts up the top there. So I've got it on 2x3. You can also go to 4 split, and the default, which if you've just installed Unity, may be what you actually have. Tall, and the last one is wide. Now, when you're using Unity, you're free to use any of these. I'm going to be showing you, first of all, just using the 2x3 layout, which is going to enable us to see all the different sections that we want to take a look at. So as I'm saying, you can use any of these, but for now, just switch to 2x3 if that's not what you've got. The Unity interface is made up of 5 sections. There's the scene view, the game view, the hierarchy panel, the project panel, and the inspector. So first of all, we have the scene view, where you put together your game. Each game can actually have multiple scenes, which you might also know as maps or levels. The next window is the game view, which actually shows you how your game will look from a player's point of view. It also allows you to preview a game while you're actually creating it. Next of all, we have the hierarchy panel, which actually shows the objects in the current scene as an expandable list. So the scene view shows you a visual representation of your scene, while the hierarchy view shows your scene by the object names in an expandable list. So next, the project view shows you all the objects in your project. So that includes animations, models, sounds, scripts, and something called prefabs as well, which we'll go into later on. So next we have the inspector panel, which shows you the properties of whichever asset or object you have selected. So if you go and change the object you've got selected, which I'll do now, you'll see that the values in the inspector actually change. So I can change those around, and you can see that the values and various parts of the inspector change.